Hello everyone, back tuning into Stormwatch. So we've got a chance of some big thunderstorms across parts of the country through the course of this afternoon and into this evening. I think there'll be some big downpours around, torrential rain, could be some hail as well. Quite big hailstones, and certainly a chance of lightning and thunder because we've got decent levels of Cape and lifted today. So going to be a lively afternoon and evening for some parts of the country. I think I normally like to do these updates when things are popping off, but I'm going to be busy this afternoon, so I'm not going to be able to do Stormwatch this afternoon. So I thought I'd just do an early update to show you what the potential is later on today. In a bit, there'll be an update on the homepage, just looking at the next week to 10 days. Extending out beyond that to FSB2, so that'll be on the homepage later on this morning. Before I get on with Stormwatch, just say about the ads. There's links to articles on all of the pages. Have a browse through widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in, and thanks very much for doing that. This video ads on most of the pages. They own that content when you watch them. They'll close back up again, and it does help to pay for gasworthies.com. So this is the radar pitch. Not a huge amount going on at the moment. We've got some showery bursts of rain around Northern Ireland and the Irish Sea, and then a little cluster of very heavy showers just down off the south coast heading in towards Brighton. Let's see if there's any thunder or lightning in with that. No, nothing showing up on the lightning detector yet. A few lightning flashes across Northern Ireland, but not a great deal going on at the moment. Things, as I say, will develop through the course of this afternoon. This is the facts chart for midnight tonight. This is the human interpretation of the models by the forecasters at the UK Met Office. So it's been drawn up by the forecasters at the Met Office, and you see we're in this slack sort of flow, but we've got these little troughs, little convergence lines here across the UK, just indicating the potential for more generalised shower and thunder activity through the course of this afternoon and into this evening. It's a fairly warm air mass that's over the country within this slack flow today. So this is how the GFS model is seeing things at 6 o'clock this evening in terms of the pressure pattern. Generally, high pressure is ridging down from the north, but it's very, very slack. It's humid air that's drifted in off the continent, been very, very thundery over much of Europe through the past few days. I'm sure you've seen it on the news and in the newspapers about the violent thunderstorms and flooding that's been taking place across many central parts of Europe recently. And with the flow coming in off the continent, we're generally importing these heavy downpours and thunderstorms into the UK. So the upper air temperatures today look very warm. It is a warm day. Yesterday got up to 27 degrees across some parts of the country. I don't think we'll go that high today because there's a lot more cloud around. The sunshine is a good deal hazier, and these showers will develop this afternoon, so that will limit the temperatures. But even so, it is a warm and humid air mass with temperatures perhaps up around 24 or 25 degrees if you get lucky and stay out of the showers. Have some sunny spells through the course of today. Now this is the Cape chart, so this is showing me thundery potential. The brighter the colours, the greater the Cape, and you see we've got these yellow colours across virtually the whole of the country, really green, yellow, going towards orange. So it does indicate that there is the potential for lightning with these downpours as the Cape goes up through the course of this afternoon. This is the precipitation forecast for midday today from the GFS. So there's a risk of thunderstorms breaking out then across parts of Scotland, those showery bursts of rain through the Irish Sea coming down in towards Wales. At 6 o'clock in the evening, look how things have developed. So many parts of the country at risk of heavy showers or thunderstorms through the course of this afternoon. Parts of Lincolnshire and East Anglia and possibly into the East Midlands generally looking a little bit drier there perhaps, but generally all parts of the country at risk of some heavy showers and thunderstorms into this afternoon, and they rumble on into the evening. So this is midnight, and you see that there's still precipitation there, albeit it is easing down in intensity, but there's still precipitation, particularly through Wales and the Midlands and some parts of Scotland as well, indicating these showers and storms will rumble on well into the evening before fading overnight. So this is 6 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, by which time generally the showers are fading away, but they will rumble on quite well into this evening. So that's how the GFS model is seeing things. What about the high resolution models? Well, this is the Euro 4 model from UK Met Office. This is at the website Weather Online. You find a link to Weather Online on the links page. Again, this is rainfall forecast. So this is for midday today, and you see that generally there's a lot of dry weather. There's that cluster of thunderstorms close to Brighton, or thundery showers, which are looking at close to Brighton. So got that area quite well forecast. Some showers could be breaking out at midday across Wales and coming up the Irish Sea. Have that more general showery rain in towards southwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland. This afternoon shows that things really do develop quite a lot in terms of these heavy showers and thunderstorms. It's showing it through Scotland, down into Northern England, Northern Ireland as well, through Wales into some parts of central southern England. Notice again the East Midlands, Lincolnshire, East Anglia. Not a great deal going on there actually through the course of this afternoon. So further east, you could miss these showers, and it's particularly focused on central, northern and western parts, and also perhaps down in towards the southeast through the course of this afternoon. We go into this evening, and those showers increasingly coming through the Midlands into southeastern parts of England. So things die down across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland and Wales, and the shower focus shifts towards the Midlands and southeastern parts of England. Again, notice Lincolnshire, East Anglia, generally tending to stay out of trouble. But even up to midnight, there's some vibrant colours there. When you see those sort of purple colours, that's torrential rain. So certainly risk of some heavy torrential rain, heavy showers, thunderstorms continuing into the evening across central and southeastern parts of England. And then things finally start to ease down as we go through into the early hours. So the showers increasingly confined just to the southeast, and they are easing in intensity then. So the second half of the night, we'll see the showers dying away. And then finally, the WRF model. Again, this is another high-res model. This is from meteosil.fr. This is game precipitation forecast. It's midday. You see the showery burst rain possibly turning thundery then through Wales, and showery rain to southwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. We go into the afternoon, and look at this, the vibrant colours really appearing. This is 5 o'clock this afternoon, by which time we've got torrential rain across Northern Ireland, torrential rain through Scotland, particularly central southern Scotland, and down in towards parts of Northern England, also through Wales into some central southern parts of England. Again, notice large parts of the Midlands, Lincolnshire, East Anglia, largely staying out of trouble, with the thunderstorms generally further north and west. And then into the evening, the storms carry on rumbling on. This is up to 10 o'clock tonight. So again, still some violent thunderstorms possible through Scotland, down in towards northern England, perhaps increasingly coming into the south and west Midlands as well. East Midlands, Lincolnshire, East Anglia still almost staying out of trouble. And then we go on into a second half of the night, and things gradually ease down. But even up to 4 o'clock in the morning, look, there's still the potential for some thundery showers 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning through parts of northern England and down in towards Midlands. They do become increasingly scattered, but still some showers rumbling on them even into the second half of the night. And then tomorrow, it looks like things could blow up once again. So this is the precipitation forecast for 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow from the WRF model. And this is particularly focusing in on central England then. So it's through the Midlands, particularly down into central some parts of England, where we could have big showers and thunderstorms breaking out again through the course of tomorrow. That could be another lively day focused on England and Wales. So there's definitely thundery potential here through the course of this afternoon and this evening. Anywhere from Scotland down through Northern Ireland into Northern England, through Wales, and then in some southern parts of England, risk of violent thunderstorms this afternoon. And then perhaps through the Midlands and into some northeastern parts of England into this evening and overnight tonight. Lincolnshire, East Anglia, possibly the far southeast could stay out of trouble and miss all of this thundery weather. But if you get these storms, you will know about it. There's a lot of Kate today, so I expect to see fair amount of lightning, hear quite a bit of thunder, and there's risk of torrential rain as well. So if you like thunderstorms, it could be a very enjoyable afternoon. Remember, you can take your pictures of the lightning that occurs and either tweet them to me at Gavin Partridge on Twitter, or you can email them to me at gazmovies@gmail.com, and we'll feature the best of the lightning pictures in videos over the next few days. Remember to take care if you're going to be trying to take pictures of the lightning. Do take all the precautions so you don't get struck by the lightning. But yeah, lively afternoon, so enjoy it. Right, that's all for now. There'll be an update on my homepage later looking at the medium range. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.